they come, hearts full of fire, chasing the sun. Mountains high to oceans wide, America stands with arms open wide. Every step is a chance to rise under freedom's ever-blazing skies, where hope's not just a word we say, it's how we build our better day. Yeah, this is the land of the dream, where the stars don't just shine, they lead. From Wall Street's beat to Silicon's code, the world finds its road. Yeah, this is the land of the brave, from cities bright to canyon caves. In every voice, every skin, every name, we rise, we shine the same. Shine the same. Skyscrapers born of immigrant hands, ideas bloom from desert sands. From Tesla's charge to Apple's glow, innovation is the heart we show. Freedom dances in Central Park, dreamers coding in the dark. From Bezos' launch to Elon's flame, they all began with just a name. Yeah, this is the land of the dream, where the stars don't just shine, they lead. From Wall Street's beat to Silicon's code, the world finds its road. Yeah, this is the land of the brave, from cities bright to canyon caves. Every voice, every skin, every name, we rise, we shine the same. Shine the same. We shine the same. Golden Gate to Brooklyn lights, voices echo through endless nights. Not just a place, a sacred fire, where every soul can dream much higher. Fade.